Welcome to VI Tech Ability channel. In this video I am taking the most asked question, that is how to add shortcut to enable or disable screen curtain in NVDA. So without any delay, let's begin the video. First you need to open NVDA menu by pressing NVDA key plus N. NVDA key is either caps lock or insert.
NVDA menu. Preferences sub
Expand preferences sub menu by pressing the right arrow. After this you need to press N to go to the input gesture dialog.
Input gestures dialog.
After going into it, press V to directly go to vision, as we have to add screen curtain shortcut.
V. Vision collapse 20.
Expand this by pressing right
Expanded.
arrow.
Level 1 toggles the state of the screen curtain.
You need to focus on this, and after focusing on it, press tab one time.
Add button Alt plus A.
After you focus to the add button, press enter on it.
Unavailable. Tree view. Level 2 enter input gesture. 1 of 1.
Now it is asking for us to input the gesture that you want to keep or the shortcut key that you want to add. So I will add the gesture or the shortcut key as Ctrl Shift O. You can add any key that you like, but it should not be conflict with other add-ons or other shortcut keys that is available in Windows. So I'll press the combination of key that I want to add, and after I lift my finger or after I stop to press those keys, then it will give me some options. Let's see what it gives.
Context menu.
Now it is giving us a menu.
Control plus Shift plus O. Laptop keyboard. C.
It is asking us whether we want to keep this shortcut for just laptop keyboard or
Control plus Shift plus O. Keyboard. All layouts.
all layouts. So I want to keep this shortcut in all layouts, so I'll press enter
Input
on
gesture.
this, and our shortcut key is added.
Remove button
So
Alt. Reset to OK button.
let's press OK,
Desktop.
and let's check whether this shortcut has been added or not. I'll press Ctrl Shift O.
Warning dialog.
So when you first launch the screen curtain, it gives us a warning. If you don't want this warning to be time and again,
Always show a warning when loading screen space.
always
Not
show
checked.
warning. Just don't check this option.
Yes,
and
but
press on yes.
temporary screen curtain.
So the screen curtain is enabled for temporary. So if you want this screen curtain to be permanent, then use the gesture twice or press the shortcut key that you have kept twice, then it would be permanent like this.
Screen curtain enabled.
So it is permanent. Now if I restart my NVDA, then also this screen curtain will be available there. And if you want to disable the screen curtain, just press the combination of key or the gesture that you have kept once only.
Screen curtain disabled.
So that's all for today's guys. I hope this video has helped you. Make sure to comment, like and share this video with others. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and enable notification by pressing on the bell icon.